Okay, welcome to Weekly Predictions. This week I'm Puneet Mathur, and today I'm doing predictions based on my book Prediction Secrets Starter Kit, which is the first book of predictions, and I'm using the Indian Perchi method. Perchi means a chit, a paper chit. So I've got here, you can see three chits, piles of three chits, each with four options. You can learn more about prediction using this method step by step by using my book Prediction Secret Starter Kit. And you have three volumes. So you have volume 1, volume 2, and volume 3 of Prediction Secrets book. I also have Prediction Secrets box set, which comprises volume 1, volume 2, and volume 3 of the book. This book comprises of all the three books, and it teaches you all the 27 methods and 52 case studies. I'm using a unique case study system where I teach you how to apply them in real life by using each of those methods and teaching you in what type of situations each method is used. Today we are using how your week is going to be with the Perchi method, and I'm doing a ritual here which is part of my course which I teach on Udemy, certified predictor course, yellow belt. After this ritual is done, we will start with the three piles. I will introduce these three piles to you. And the first one is the red band. And this is a pile. Intuitively, you have to pick up one pile out of the three. So this is the first one, the red band pile. This has four options. And if this calls to you intuitively, you can select this. This is the yellow band pile. So the yellow band pile again has the same four options. How your week is going to be. And the third one is the green pile, green band pile. Again with the same four options, how your week is going to be. So now you have to select any one of this pile. So select either a red, yellow or green band, whichever appeals to you. So pray to God and then intuitively select any one of these three. And then, once you're done, you can go to that particular pile's reading, prediction reading, to, understand what's the reading like. This is a very short prediction. It's not a long prediction. And it's a very interesting prediction because it, immediately gives you the ability to know how your week is going to be. So this is the red band prediction, and the pile I've now picked up is the red band prediction pile with four options. So I'm going to open this pile, open the band, and then the pile with the four options. So now as you see, I've opened the band, and now we have the four options. The one, the second one, third one, and the fourth one. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are the four options. And the correct way to do that is take it in your hands, all the chits or the paper chits that you have, the Perchi as it is called. And now you take them in your hand and then you close your hands and then you shake it. The reason for shaking is you are kind of shuffling them, okay? And then now you pray along with it. You pray to God that give me guidance about my week. And for the subscribers who select this pile, the red band pile, please give me guidance. And then now I throw it on my sacred place. Now intuitively, I'm asking which one I should pick up, and the answer comes now, and I will be picking up one of the chits of paper, and it tells you about the red pile. How is your, wow, the answer is excellent enjoyment this week. So you're going to red pile ones, you're the lucky ones. You're going to have an excellent enjoyment this week. That is such a great thing. Now, excellent enjoyment, it can mean a lot of things for a lot of people, but it also means partying, going outside with friends, family, and going out to the movies also. Some may go out on the picnic and so on. So it's basically a time of enjoyment, and that's what, this pile actually represents. So now let's get on to the next one, which is the green band prediction pile. So the green band prediction pile, I now pick that up. And as you can see, this is the green band. I'll take off the green band now. And with that, we've got the 4 options, the same 4 options that we had for the other piles. This also has that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. The 4 options are there in front of you. Now I shall take them as I did in the last pile. I'm going to take it in my hands, close it with, and then now I pray and shuffle. At the same time, I'm praying and shuffling, and I'm asking for directions as to, for this pile, please give directions on how the week is going to be for these people. Any guidance, please provide. So the green pile people, I'm now praying for guidance. I've thrown it on the sacred space, and as you can see, we've got the 4 options down there. Now I'm asking intuitively which one should I pick up. And the answer comes. So I pick up intuitively for you, green pile people. And it says, protect yourself. So this is protect yourself. So protect yourself means to protect yourself at all levels, whether it be astral or it be mental or it be physical. Please be cautious this week, because you need to take action to protect yourself against accidents, against all kinds of nuisance that can happen, ruin your life. So please take precautions and protect yourself. That's what it means. Now we have done this pile, so we will now be moving. I clear off the space and move to the 3rd pile. This is the yellow band pile, the last pile, how your week is going to be. As you can see, this is the yellow band, and I shall be taking off the yellow band from the chits of paper or parchees now. And again, it has the same 4 options that the other piles had. And you can see that this has 4 chits. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 chits are there. Same method, same way. Pick them up in your hand and cover it with the other hand. And then now pray and shuffle at the same time. Pray that guidance come for the yellow pile, subscribers of my channel, and the viewers, as to how their week is going to be, or any guidance that has to be provided to them. Then the guidance may please come. So I've thrown the chits of paper on the sacred space now. And intuitively I'm asking which one to pick up for the yellow pile, and the answer comes. So I'm going to pick that option up now. Again, this is also uh, protect yourself. So yellow pile and green pile have a common prediction and guidance, which is protect yourself at all levels, which is physical, astral, mental. So you need to be very, very cautious in this week. There will be people who will try to do harm to you. So take all the measures that you can to protect yourself against all kind of evil. Pray to the god or the goddess or whichever deity you believe in. And you can get this method free in my book Prediction Secrets Starter Kit.